Do you know over 25% of iPhone users have to face the trouble of cracked screens? If you're amongst those, then you need to counter this problem immediately. Because not only can the issue sufficiently hinder with touch functionality, it can eventually cause a lot more problems. Here's where some people make a major mistake. They try to replace the glass themselves. By attempting to replace the glass yourself, you void your warranty, and not only risk permanently damaging your phone, but put yourself in danger as well. Finding an expert for mobile repairs is really not that difficult if you know where to look. And you need to look no further than Mr. iPhone Mobile. Mr. iPhone Mobile provides customers in Sacramento and surrounding areas with the most convenient iPhone repair services. We guarantee to fix your iPhone anytime at your location within an hour. Mr. iPhone Mobile is available 24/7 to help fix your iPhone needs. Mr. iPhone will help you with any type of iPhone repair you want. Mr. iPhone Mobile is rated 5 stars on Google and Yelp. Simply contact us at 916-715-5213. For more information about all our services, visit www.mriPhonemobile.com.